If you are looking for a tool bag to gift somebody, to buy for yourself, this is the way to go. I cannot believe I didn't get one sooner. Has multiple pockets, multiple pouches, still works as a bag. Both sides, plenty of room. Velcro on here. So this would be great for guys with wires, anybody that's required to carry a bunch of small stuff. So you've got 2 pockets here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets here to show you guys the size of those pockets. These are nice and deep. Throw some drill bits in there. Your stud finder. Beep, beep. A level. Whole nother pocket you can use. Shove all your wiring in. When you get done with it, carry it like this, as such. Or you can go ahead, leave it all wrapped out. Or when you're done with it, if the tools inside will allow you to, roll it back up,